today, we're releasing every negative word. We're releasing everything that was said to us that affected us.
So I am creating 30 kingdom affirmation cards for our word replacement therapy session on Saturday. Here's one. Beautiful. I am made in the image of God.
Words. Let's replace the words. Because you are something. Already something. Yes. Let's replace your words.
Remarkable. I have unusual skills and talents that will help others. Successful. I will achieve the goals that I set. And determined. I will never give up.
These are our kingdom affirmation cards for our word replacement therapy session that we have Saturday. I have about 10 more to make. Let's go.
Friendly. I make friends easily. I am a joy to be around.
Yes.
You are. Kind. I am friendly. I have a heart to love. I am compassionate.
Yes, you are.
The devil is a liar.
You can read them out loud if you like.
I'm strong. No matter what, I will keep going. I am beautiful. I am made in the image of God. And I am self-confident. I will not let people's words control me. I trust God. I am secure in myself.
Amen. That was beautiful.
Okay. Elegant. I am grateful and stylish.
Yes, you are.
Fearless. I'm not afraid to move forward. I'm worthy of the life I pray for.
Anybody else would like to replace their word?